8 hours. That is how long Bitcoin's confirmed breakout lived above the line this channel published in advance. Yesterday ended on one close above 64,243 and a verdict sheet with 3 open boxes. The session that followed filled them in order. Box 1, 7 in the morning. A second close above the line, $317 clear. By the rule this channel published, the break was confirmed. That word held weight for exactly 7 more hours. Box 2, 9 in the morning. The golden graduation at 64,597 was taken, and taken on a close, not on a wick that could be argued away. That print, 64,744, retraced 2/3 of the fall. The next line up was the origin, $1,000 higher, where the reading ends. It was never approached. Then the turn. Noon held the line by $33. 2 in the afternoon closed at 64,108, back under it. 8 hours after the break, the clause on the back of the sheet fired. Back under the line, the break audits false. That clause matters because it was published before it happened, not after. A break that cannot hold its own line is not early strength. It is a failed audit, dated and numbered. The market appealed the ruling once. 5 and 6 in the evening closed back above the line. 2 closes, the second by $257. 7 in the evening answered with a candle $1,000 tall that closed 650 under. The appeal lasted 2 hours. 4 crossings on closes in one day. The decision no longer lives at that line. Step back and the shape is plain. Off the leg low at 62,742, the whole rally is one advance that died between the golden and the origin. That is the zone where second waves go to finish. So the label is graded. The second wave of this third leg audits as complete at 64,744. What follows a finished second wave is the third. The give back has already broken the first graduation and returned close to 3/4 of the rally, with a low at 63,267. The close sits at 63,952, wedged between the two moving averages with momentum flat. The bounce off the evening low reads so far as the first pause of the new leg, not a new claim. 1 degree up. On the weekly, the last 5 weeks are one bounce of 57,800 that topped at 66,956 and rolled over. This hourly count is the inside of that rollover. So the map, floors first, then ceilings. Every number on it was published before this session, and each one carries the consequence written next to it. Not a hope. Floor 1, the leg low, 62,742. The session never threatened it, and it is the trigger. A third wave that means it goes through that floor and does not linger there. Floor 2 is equality at 62,528, the target this decline has owed since it was measured. Below it, the extension waits at 60,540, and under everything, the weekly floor. The ceilings. Closes back above 64,243 reopen the question. Above 64,744, the completed second wave call re-audits. And above 65,744, the count dies. Same number as yesterday. Same rule. In public. A falling market does not change what invalidation means. Here is yesterday's sheet graded. Second close, filled, the golden, filled, and still false, because the one clause that outranks both fired at 2 in the afternoon. A rule that can confirm and then convict is the only kind worth publishing. The line refused 8 tries in one night, then exposed a confirmed break in 8 hours. It did its job twice. The stopwatch is reset and waiting on the next claim. When the next level gets taken or fails its audit, it will be graded here the same way. Educational analysis, not financial advice. More Bitcoin tomorrow.